Okay, here we put the 2 tablespoons of oil, and there is 4 cups of warm water. Just tap warm water. I add half first, and I start mixing it up.
This masalista flour, I'm pretty sure you can get it online. The place that we buy it from is La Tienda de Pepe, and we'll leave a link under a video.
And then once it's done, you can leave it to rest a little bit or use it straight away. Usually rest it for about half an hour if you like. It's still very crumbly, but it will join up.
It smells so much like corn, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does. It has a beautiful smell.
So what it is just a stone ground corn, white corn.
Yep. And if you use the yellow corn, then you get the polenta, semolina.
I wonder what would happen if you do it with polenta.
You can do it too, but it will be probably more grain. You have to use a really fine polenta, not the thick. Right?
We don't recommend it anyway, because we haven't tried it ourselves. Hello.
Okay, so see how it's getting all together now?
Like clay resistance, isn't it?
Yeah, it's crumbly, but don't worry about it. That's how it has to be. See, I haven't added all the water, maybe just a little bit over 3.5 cups. But like I said, what you have to get is a consistency like this. So if it's more liquid, then you add a little bit more of the flour, or the other way, just more water. And that's it. That's what you get.
It actually took about 2 minutes to do.
Yeah. And see, have a look. So you cover it with a cloth and let it sit for half an hour, and it's ready to make. And on the other video, I show how you do the pupusas.
Okay.
Okay. See ya, guys. Thank you for being with us again.
Gracias.
Till next time.